In this video, let us see how to deploy the Gradio app on Hugging Face. Here you can see I have some sample Gradio project. This project is about a text-to-speech converter. So let me start this Gradio server now. So Gradio app.py, consider the Gradio server as started. Let me open up the Gradio app now. Let me click on this URL. You consider this is a sample Gradio project about text-to-speech converter. Here we can give any input or text, and for the text we will get the audio. So let me copy this example text here and paste it here and click on submit, and you have to select the language English. You consider here we have your input, and here you can see here we have the output.
Hello, welcome to Gradio Text to Speech.
Similarly, you can also do this for the Tamil text also. Let me copy this and paste it here. I consider select the language is set to Tamil, and let me play this.
வணக்கம் நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்?
So this is just a basic Gradio project that I have developed. So let us see how to deploy this Gradio project to the Hugging Face. So before we continue ahead, let's create a requirements.txt file. So inside this file, put all your dependencies. For obviously we need a Gradio and we need a Google text to speech, that is the DTTS. These two libraries that I have used. So put these two libraries in the requirements.txt, and let's go to the browser and go to your website called the huggingface.co. So if you don't have your account on the Hugging Face, make sure you create your account on Hugging Face. I recommend you to create your account using the GitHub, so that your GitHub account will be connected to the Hugging Face. So once you have logged into the Hugging Face, then what you can do is you can click on spaces. You can see that here there are many spaces out there. What we can do is we can create a new space. Click on create new and give a name for your space. In this case, I'm gonna give like text to speech, and we can also give a short description like it converts your text to speech. And below that, if you have any license that you can list out here, there are many licenses out there. Apache 2.0, MIT. If you have any license, you can list out the license here. But if you don't have the license, it's fine to leave it out. And below that, we have to select the space SDK. You can also deploy the Docker as well. So, but in this video, we're gonna see how to deploy the Gradio. So for Docker, I will make a separate video. So select the Gradio, and you can also choose the Gradio template. And but here we're gonna stick to blank template, and below the space hardware, so the CPU basic. If you want to select the GPU, make sure you have to update your premium subscription, that is the pro user. And below that you can also set this space to private or public. I'm gonna set this to public and click on create space. Now our space has been created. Here what you can do is you can clone this repository by using this command, and you can put all your code and you can push, but that will be too hectic work. But I will show you a simple method. So if you scroll up, you can see there is an option called the files. Either you can continue deploy using this documentation here, but if you want to see the simpler method, follow the steps that I'm gonna mention. So just click on the files now. So click on files, and you consider under the contribute we have an option called upload files. Click on that. Here click on this drag and file options, or to click to upload. So select that, and let's go to my video project, and let me select these two files. Consider two files as being selected. Then what you can do is you can just click on commit to main branch, and you consider if you click on app now, our two files has been uploaded. You consider it starts building. It will install both the library that we mentioned, that is the Gradio as well as the Google text to speech, and once it is installed, it will build the Gradio app for us. Just give a few minutes, it consider is building. It will take some time to build. Once it is built, you can see the live Gradio app on the Hugging Face itself. You consider this space is currently starting. We have to wait for a few seconds. If you go to the files, if you want to change something, you can open up the file and you can edit it here. And yeah, this is how you edit. Let me go to the app. I consider our Gradio app have been successfully built. So let's enter some text now. For example, I'm gonna ask how are you. You consider replace the audio. Let me change the text to Tamil now. Let's also change the language to Tamil and click on submit. You consider replace the Tamil audio. What you can use, you can also share this link, and you can
இந்த காணொளியை பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி.
open a new tab and paste it here. So the anyone can use this link to open up the URL. That is your Gradio deploy
இந்த
app.
காணொளியை பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி.
So yeah, this is how you deploy a Gradio app on Hugging Face. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one. But and one more thing I want to mention is that if you go to the profile now, you consider currently you have only one space. So if you want to create more space, you can also do that. So yeah, this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.